discover the allure of modern Mediterranean interiors. Today, we're exploring a contemporary twist on this timeless style, culminating in a design revelation that perfectly balances sun-soaked charm with sleek, modern elegance. Welcome to Visionary Designs. If you're passionate about merging coastal serenity with contemporary sophistication, you're in for a treat. Hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell to stay updated with our latest design inspirations. Let's embark on a journey through the world of modern Mediterranean interiors. Stay tuned until the end to uncover an innovative approach to Mediterranean design that seamlessly blends traditional elements with cutting-edge features. This reveal will redefine how you perceive Mediterranean style in the modern era. You won't want to miss it. Let's start with innovative Mediterranean concepts. Step into a space where sun-washed tranquility meets contemporary flair. The latest trends in modern Mediterranean design offer both warmth and sophistication. New materials and finishes capture the essence of Mediterranean charm while embracing modern aesthetics. These innovative designs transform interiors into serene yet stylish havens that adapt to various lifestyles. From subtle coastal touches to bold architectural elements, modern Mediterranean features cater to diverse tastes, suiting both urban apartments and spacious villas. Next, we explore unique Mediterranean decor elements that infuse character and warmth into interiors. Distinctive pieces evoke the spirit of coastal living and timeless elegance. Handcrafted items add authenticity, while natural textures bring depth and interest to the space. Artistic elements inspired by Mediterranean cultures create captivating focal points. These features blend seamlessly with sleek, modern accents for a fresh, updated look. A thoughtfully curated collection of Mediterranean decor achieves the perfect balance between rustic charm and contemporary appeal, transforming ordinary rooms into inviting, sun-kissed retreats. Now, we delve into function meets Mediterranean style, where practicality and coastal aesthetics harmonize beautifully. Modern Mediterranean designs evolve to enhance convenience and maximize space while maintaining that coveted relaxed ambiance. Innovative storage solutions and versatile pieces seamlessly incorporate modern necessities. Contemporary features integrate discreetly into Mediterranean decor, preserving the traditional feel while offering modern functionality. These elements merge effortlessly into Mediterranean designs, creating interiors that are both beautiful and practical. The result is a space optimized for both style and usability, where every aspect serves a purpose while contributing to the overall Mediterranean aesthetic. And now, prepare to be inspired as we unveil a groundbreaking approach to modern Mediterranean interiors. This innovative concept redefines the style for contemporary living, seamlessly blending the warmth of the Mediterranean with cutting-edge design principles. It offers unparalleled versatility and adaptability, allowing for a truly personalized Mediterranean experience. This revolutionary idea opens up new possibilities for creating spaces that are both timelessly inviting and refreshingly modern. We've explored a range of exciting Mediterranean concepts today, from innovative designs and unique decor elements to practical solutions that blend function with coastal style. But here's a thought. Could your home be a perfect fusion of Mediterranean charm and modern living? Imagine a space where every detail evokes the serenity of coastal life while embracing contemporary comfort. How would these Mediterranean innovations enhance your daily life? Are you ready to transform your interior into a true sanctuary of timeless elegance and modern convenience? The possibilities are endless, and the choice is yours. Thank you for joining us on this Mediterranean design journey. If you enjoyed these insights and ideas, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more inspiring content. Share your thoughts in the comments. What aspect of modern Mediterranean style are you most excited about? Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep designing and creating spaces that capture the essence of Mediterranean living. See you in the next video.